What's the most up thing you've overheard? A guy in my school, who I didn't know because he was 2 years younger than me, telling someone over the phone that he didn't want to live anymore. He was so tired of being lonely all the time and getting bullied every single day. His crying pierced my soul. I was really popular at that time, had a lot of friends, was always pulling pranks with them, knew the teachers pretty well. So one day, me and my best friend followed him to the bathroom. This sounds so weird, but we had been observing him and we knew he hid in the toilets during breaks. And we kind of started a conversation on how his shirt was really cool, and that we were a fan of the same band as him. And then we invited him to sit with us, and we kept that up until we graduated, and to this day, we're still friends. I regularly checked up on him during the time I knew he was depressed, without ever telling him I had overheard him when he was on the phone. He's doing great now. He's in his second year of music academy. I don't know if we saved his life, but I sure bet we made it a little easier for him. And seriously, he's become one of my best friends. Such a sweet kid then, and still a great guy now.